ठीक है ना? रोलिंग
Deep, deep.
कलयुग, ट्रैफिक सिग्नल, इस तरह की फिल्म वी गेट टू लर्न अ लेसन और जो एक रियलिटी पर बेस्ड है। हम ना जानना चाहेंगे आप किस फिल्म चूज़ करते हैं जब आप एक फिल्म में साइन करते हैं, क्या देखते हैं आप?
मैं सबसे पहले उस फिल्म की कहानी देखता हूँ। जो स्क्रिप्ट इज़ द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट एस्पेक्ट ऑफ अ फिल्म फॉर मी। और अगर उस फिल्म की कहानी मुझे अपील करती है और इंटरेस्ट करती है और मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि ये एक ऐसी फिल्म है जिसे मैं अपनी जेब से 100 रुपये खर्च के देखना चाहूँगा, तो आई गो अहेड एंड डू इट. It doesn't have to do with it being a realistic film or an action film or a romantic film or a comedy.
इस फिल्म के बारे में हमें बताइए जो अभी तक अनटाइटल्ड है, क्या है, व्हाट इज इट?
इस फिल्म का नाम ही शायद अनटाइटल्ड पूछ जाएगा, तो बट वी haven't got the appropriate title.
Okay, ready. We'll see you on rehearsal. Stand by.
Not shoot because of that.
Action.
So we started the shooting schedule of the film, but very soon we should find one title for it and name it. But it really interests me because it's a different kind of a film for me. Apart from it giving me a platform to portray various kinds of looks in the film, I have a lot of looks in the film. It's a commercial entertainer, and if I put the story in one line in a very cliched way, then it is one man's story who wants to become an actor, who's grown up watching Hindi films, is an aspiring actor, और वो इस इंडस्ट्री में ब्रेक चाहने के लिए ना सिर्फ प्रोड्यूसर्स के पास अपनी फोटोज लेके जाता है, बट इज ट्राइंग एवरीथिंग. वो एक बैक रो डांसर है, स्टंटमैन है, एक्शन करता है, ट्राइंग एवरीथिंग टू गेट. और and there is a particular point of time in the film where he does kind of get a chance, and then what all he sees in the industry and how the industry accepts him, whatever happens in the film is a story. But as I said, that's the cliche way of saying it. There are a lot of other things in the film which, if I say, I'll be getting up the whole story. It really interests me, and I'm really looking forward to the film, and I hope it is a new kind of film for people also to watch.
लुक काफ़ी दैट इंटेंसिटी इन दैट लुक्स. तो इस फिल्म में आप कितना वर्क कर रहे हैं अपने आप?
Looks wise, as in जैसे आप, I don't know if you came in, I had straight hair before, तो फिर कर्ली हो गया था, तो उस तरह से काफ़ी सारी लुक्स चेंज कर रहे हैं अटायर्स में एंड एवरीथिंग. दैट्स ऑल्सो बिकॉज द स्क्रिप्ट डिमांड्स दैट. And besides that, it is a commercial entertainer. It's not a realistic film. It's not a take on anybody's real life. It's a commercial entertainment fiction film which should entertain people, and that's it. Give them the worth of their money.
अभी तक के आपके इस करियर में एनी एक्टर हु हैज रियली इम्प्रेस्ड यू एंड जिनको यू लुक फॉरवर्ड टू?
As in who I've worked with, or I think every actor. It's not just actors. Everybody, when you're it can be even a person on the street, and people say, do you get inspiration from somebody? I think even when I see the kids on the road in the rain, without clothes, without food, having fun and smiling and playing, that's inspiration. Acting wise, yes, I think you get to learn when you're working with an actor, and if the actor is really good, he makes you look good on screen, and there is a lot of give and take that happens when I was doing role, in comedy. So you do pick up certain nuances. Definitely the actors do add something to you. You do learn something from a director of a film. You do learn something from a cinematographer of a film. So, and in short, as they say, it's a learning experience.
तो कोई ऐसे बड़े एक्टर जिनके साथ आप काम करना पसंद करेंगे?
Everybody. I mean, I would love to work with Mr. Amitabh Bachchan. I think everybody would love to do that. And there's one particular actor, if I got a chance to work with Kamal Haasan, I would love to do that because I was a big fan of his when I was a kid, and I still appreciate the kind of work he does.
What is that about Kamal Haasan?
I don't know. I mean, as a kid, I think the first film I saw was Sadma of his, and I really liked it. And then I saw Pushpak, and Pushpak became my favorite film. I would watch it every day. I had my personal cassette player. And it was just that you grew up watching him, and I really liked him in whatever he did, right up to Chachi 420 and everything that he made. So I don't know. There's no one particular reason. I think his acting appealed to me.
हमें ट्यूलिप के बारे में बताएं, उनके साथ काम करके आपको कैसा लगा?
बहुत अच्छा लगा. It's been great working with all the actors till date, and with Julep I'll say that I mean, we crack up all the time in the sense. I don't know. I crack her up, she cracks me up, and we are kind of cracking up jokes. And I think at the end of the day, we crack up both. Jubraj and he gets angry and he says, "I have to take my shot." No, but she's a sweet girl and she's a good actress. So it's been great working with her.
वुमेन फीमेल स्टार्स के बारे में बात करें तो ऐसी कौन सी क्वालिटीज़ हैं उनके बारे में दैट अट्रैक्ट्स यू?
Oh my God, female stars of females all over the world everywhere. Hey, okay.
Ready?
What do you ask?
Ready, sir. We'll go for
Women
this.
do attract people, men especially, and I I wouldn't get into the technicality of it, but I'm a straight guy. We've been doing it.
कुणाल, if you were an actor in the 70s or 80s में अगर आप actor if you were an actor, तो कौन सी ऐसी actress को आप रिपोर्ट करते काम कर रहे हैं?
Oh, a lot of them. Only 70s and 80s, I don't know.
Nice, sir. Pretty so nice.
80s, they're definitely
Ready?
there.
Second
Asha
lady,
Parekh,
Vijay?
Madhubala, everybody. I think they're beautiful women. in the
Now that you're doing so many films और मीडिया आप फेस करते हैं, तो हम जानना चाहेंगे, it is said that stars और मीडिया के बीच में it's kind of a relation, a car without a tire. उस पर आपका क्या कहना है?
I think we share a love and hate relationship. If as long as people feel good about us, we love them. But no, yeah, sometimes there are instances when you get misquoted, and there are some things. And it's funny, sometimes people come up to me and ask me, "We've heard a rumor about you. Is it true?" If you agree to the fact that it's a rumor, then it's not true. But you still go on talking about it. So sometimes, yeah, there is a problem. But I hope it doesn't happen to me a lot more than it has already happened. But no, it's cool. It's a love and hate relationship.
आप कैसे react करते हैं इस rumors?
Ready, sir?
Earlier they used to bother me, now they don't. I think everybody now knows today's news is tomorrow's garbage, and people can believe what they want to believe. I know it's true.
कुणाल, ऐसी कौन सी चीज़ है which you wouldn't like to be caught doing in front of the camera?
I see बहुत सारी चीज़ें which I wouldn't like to be caught doing in front of camera. So let's name one. Mopping. Maybe.
कुणाल, you've seen Brokeback Mountain.
Yes.
If अगर Brokeback Mountain बॉलीवुड में अगर बनती, तो कौन से ऐसे दो मेल स्टार्स जो शूट करते हैं?
मैं तो नहीं होता यार, कौन होता है मुझे नहीं पता.
Ready?
फिलहाल आज के जो शूट है उसके
Okay.
बारे में
Stand by, please. Silence.
आज का जो शूट हो रहा है उसके बारे में हम जानना चाहेंगे कि आप स्टेज पे परफॉर्म करने वाले हैं या
मेरा बैकअप हो
उधर से
गया.
वो एक सेटिंग वाला
But we didn't dance
अंदर और
today.
आएगा.
We were
Right
doing
of-
something
right में खेल.
after the piece.
Right.
This is gonna happen, I think, day after tomorrow. So as for today, I'm packed up somewhere in home.
अगर आप
Okay,
जानना
ready.
चाहेंगे कि आप बचपन से जब आप चाइल्ड एक्टर करते थे तभी से आप बॉलीवुड में मतलब सोचा था कि बड़े होकर एक्टर ही बनना है. आपने क्या सोचा था आपकी बॉलीवुड में entry के बाद?
तब जब शुरू किया था तब तो बहुत सारे प्लान्स थे. बीच में पायलट बनना चाहता था, फिर पुलिस ऑफिसर बनना चाहता था, फिर अकल आई.
Left करना थोड़ा नहीं.
फिर by the time I did Zakri, I kind of knew that I wanted to be an actor. So that's why I took the break for 6 years. And
हाँ
I
बस
came
बस
back.
बस बस बस. अभी आप
फिलहाल
crowd
आपके
मत
रोल
करिए.
मॉडल कौन है? आप किसे फॉलो करते हैं?
जी.
रोल मॉडल कौन है आप?
Ready, sir?
एक
Okay,
बंदा
ready,
नहीं है.
stand by.
I do not idolize anything in life.
Sound.
Inspiration is a different thing, but I don't idolize in anybody. So I wouldn't say that there is one role model.
And action.
Well, as if I say who's my hero in my life, I think my father is my hero, and I really look up to him, and I cherish my family, and I think they're my biggest friend.
फिलहाल आप फिल्म साइन करते वक्त कौन सी चीज़ को सबसे ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंस देते हैं?
Script, the story of
एंड व्हाट अबाउट डायरेक्टर एंड
Cut.
that. I mean, definitely the director, the production house, everything comes into consideration. But आप अगर मुझसे पूछें कि number one क्या होगा, तो वो script.
फिलहाल अगर आप एक्टर नहीं होते तो आप क्या होते?
तो मैं कुछ ना कुछ परफॉर्मिंग आर्ट्स में ही करता हूँ, लेकिन वो भी नहीं कर पाता तो कुछ नहीं है. शायद मैं आपकी तरह वहाँ पे इंटरव्यू ले रहा होता किसी का. बट आई वांटेड टू डू समथिंग which would satisfy me in performing. I always wanted to be a performer.
फिलहाल मानसून का सीज़न चल रहा है तो आप इस सीज़न में कैसे एंजॉय करते हैं?
मेरे को मानसून इतने पसंद नहीं है, so I'm not much of a rain person. I kind of like to work. If I sit at home, the sky gets gloomy, the weather becomes very gloomy. I don't like it. Not a
One
very
more.
कुणाल, just a quick rapid fire round.
My
Ready,
God.
stand
Okay.
Sound please.
Danced on the road.
Huh?
Danced
Yeah,
on
yeah.
the road.
And action.
Eaten roadside food.
Lots.
What do you like more?
Bhelpuri, pav bhaji, vada pav, everything.
Laughed so hard that you cried.
Oh, that happened a lot of times in college. We used to do theatre and we used to cry almost every day laughing.
Gone to a party
Cut.
uninvited.
No.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Used public transport.
Oh, lots. Trains, buses, everything.
Embarrassed yourself.
I think so, yeah. Sajid?
When was that?
I can't remember now.
Cheated during an exam.
Long time ago in school. I don't even remember. Yeah.
Thank you. We need a break from you, Kunal.